Well, looks like Pep's shop needs a roof. The lights are dripping. Oh yeah. Up there too, you can see it. That's a nice big project, I guess. Oh, this is all wet. Oh, there's another drip over here. This'll be fun. Alright guys, I think we owe you a little bit of an explanation about what's been going on so far this year. As you probably can tell from the channel, we haven't really made or posted anything so far this year. Long story short, we had 2 family members pass away this spring. So that was pretty big for us. And then everything that goes with that whole situation and what comes after that, we haven't really been working on any projects or making any videos. And then personally, I had some stuff come up recently that also messed with everything going on. But recently, Pops and I have been starting to work on stuff again, trying to record some stuff, but we have nowhere near the amount of footage we had this time last year. We don't have, the whole thing. So we're working through things as we're going now. We're doing the best we can. We just really appreciate you guys sticking that out with us and supporting us and being with us through this whole thing. So we're going to try to crank out some more content for you guys and work on some stuff and get some videos out. But we're just going to do the best we can right about now and go from there. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy this quickish video of fixing the roof on the lean-to in this little shop area that we got here going on. It was leaking pretty bad, as you saw before, in the rain. Old shingles, don't know what year they're from, but we're going to slap a new metal roof on here. Enjoy. Video of the rot. Taking video of that? Oh, yeah. as you can see, the new roof is up there. That new roof is up there. Probably been a year or so, maybe. I just had the footage sitting on my laptop and I didn't really do anything with it, so apologies, but you can see it's doing a great job. It's raining right now, so I'll show you the inside. Here's the inside, those same spots. You got no wetness, no nothing. Nice steel roof we put on there. It sounds really good when it's heavy raining. Sounds nice. The one thing is, the sound for YouTube when it's raining is not very good.